going in circles. I don't know why I keep going around in circles. I keep going around in circles. In circles. How's that song go, everybody? I don't. I keep going around in circles. Okay, buongiorno my friends, buongiorno. This is Naked Bike Mike back with you again for early evening. One of these things, one of those things. Up to the red, down to the blue. All that stuff. I can do it. Don't like it. Alright, man, that's embarrassing. Doesn't like shifting in the second sometimes. I don't know. Alright, that's the first thing I don't like about this bike. Sometimes going into second, you don't want to do it. I think it's because my lazy shifting style here. You know, you gotta tell it what you want it to do and just do it. It's a beautiful sunset. Beautiful weather. Alright, things I like. Obviously the styling of this motorcycle is great. Wonderful. I don't know what they could have done any better with this bike, styling wise. You know, it's just a beautiful naked bike. Beautiful. I don't know what other words I could use. Stunning, spectacular, unbelievable, badass, tough looking bike. I like, also, the second thing I like is the electronics package, the V4S, you know, with the electronic suspension. You have the Ducati quick shift up and down, which is wonderful. Most of the time. You got what else we got? Electronic suspension. You can go into dynamic, or you can set up the way you want it. Personalize that shit. And you got the ABS shit, where the anti-lock braking makes you want to shit your pants. There you go. What else is got? You got the electronic. What is that? EBC, engine braking control, which you can set to different settings. I have it on 1 right now, by the way. And then you got the Ducati stability control, which helps you out when you screw up, so you don't shit your pants. And then you got the Ducati wheelie control, which helps you from going at the wheelie. Helps the wheelie from happening. It'll control it. I'm not going to go into crazy detail. You know what that means. It's self-explanatory. So then you got the Ducati traction control, the DTC, which obviously is for traction. You want to control it. It's a good thing. What else we got? And then we're back to the quick shifting. So you got all those great things all rolled up into one package that you can control right here. You can set it all up the way you want it. Customize it, turn it off, whatever. It's all yours and more. That leads me to the dash. The dash is great. I loved it on the Speciale. It's just a great setup, great layout. I can't say enough about it. It's got all the things you want. Quick glance, you can see how fast you're going with the speedometer. And then on the right side, you can see the RPM-ometers. How many RPMs are going. The engine spinning around in revolutions, and you can see how many it is in any given moment. It also tells you the gear you're in, which is also nice as well. I like it a lot. No fuel gauge, but that's okay. I'll get into the... Okay, I'm getting all over the place here, so that's what I like. There's two things. The styling, the power is amazing. even stock, I'm sure it's just as amazing. Not just having the Acro exhaust, give it a little bit more horsepower and sound and all that stuff. But I think overall power and torque is beautiful, lovely, 100% great. That's three things, right? You know, you got the looks, the electronics package, the dash is great, the seating. Okay, let's go into that. I'm not really great at these reviews, and I'm just doing it on the fly, my friends. On the fly, off the top of my head. The seating position compared to the Panigale, obviously, it's more upright. It's not, you're not crouched over. It's more comfortable, and I compare it to the Monster 1200R that I had. That was very similar, but this I think is more comfortable. It's more aggressive than the Monster. It's just overall a better, I think, seating position to be. Like I said in one of my first videos on this bike, it's like the Monster and the Panigale got together, banged one out, and this is what we got. Streetfighter V4. It's a lovely thing, my friends. What else? What else? You got, even with no windscreen, you got a little bit of wind. You got a little bit of wind action going on. I'm going almost 60 miles an hour here. I feel it, yeah. You're not going to want to be going flat out 100 miles an hour for 5 hours, but for the most part, it is what it is. So, let me get into the things I do not like so far. And it's not really you do not like, it's just like, come on, you know, really? And it's probably part of the breaking in process, but it's the shifter. Every once in a while, try to go from first to second, it doesn't want to do it. And sometimes from fourth to fifth, you know, every once in a while, it doesn't, mostly first to second, sometimes fourth to fifth, it just like, oh, hey, it doesn't do it. And it could be me, it could be the bike, I don't know, it could be that it's new, still breaking in. So I'm not going to ding it, I'm not going to give it that hard of a time about it shifting. It doesn't take that much luster off of this bike. The one thing that I found in my short time on this bike, the 452 miles at this point, is the gas mileage. I don't know how accurate the thing is. I don't know how accurate the economy, because last week I thought I had a pretty full tank when I left the house, and I got about maybe 80 miles into the trip, and the fuel light comes on. I'm like, okay, that's not good. Luckily, I was about 20 miles to the next gas station, so I made it. So I don't know how much further I could have gone on the reserve, or what was left when the fuel light comes on, but I was shitting bricks towards the end there. I was like, I know I'm getting close to the gas station, but I don't know what's going to happen here. So that's kind of, you know, we'll wait and see how that plays out. Maybe I'll do a video on how far I can go on a tank of gas without running out of gas. I know it's been done before. I think Ducati Spacers Kevin did it. I think he had like 100, 220 miles maybe, which is a lot more than I was at. So I don't know what's going on. And what else? That's about it. I mean, there's really nothing bad I can say. I'm still new into it. I'm still only, like I said, 450 miles, but other than that, and there's no there's not like no uncomfortable vibration in the handlebars. There's no funky stuff that happens with the engine. I'm just speechless. I can't really say anything bad. I can't say anything derogatory towards this bike at this point in time. But time will tell. But I do have a good feeling that I won't have to say anything about this bike that's not that's really not great. We're gonna go into the sun here. We're using that GoPro 9 again with I got an ND8 filter on it. I took the 16 off because it's getting dark, and I'm gonna see how this goes. Let me open my visor here, see how really dark it is for reality. Ah, it's not too bad. I'm getting faked out by my mirrored visor because it's saying, hey man, it's pretty dark out here. It's getting dark. I don't know where this road goes. I've never been on this road before, so bear with me. Bear with me. Ooh. I wasn't expecting that corner. Ooh. I just fucked it up a little bit. Ooh. Sharper than I thought. But that's alright. 10 miles an hour, I guess that means it is sharp. Sharpie. Sharpie is a tech. Look where you want to go. And there you go. I think I'll go a little bit further, and then we will turn around back. We're running this together, my friends, on this road. I don't know where, I know where I'm at, but I have never been on this road before, so I'm just going west a little bit. Out here in the West Hills of Wilsonville? I guess it is. I don't know what this, what Clackamas County? Heading towards Newburgh, in a way, kinda, sorta. Nice little country road here. Country road. I don't know what's happening. Oh, gee. Nice stop. I guess there's a stop sign here, you know. Holy shit. That came up out of nowhere, man. Damn. Damn. I just turned around and cut my losses. Oh, man. What the hell? I don't see no warning sign. There's a stop sign coming up. Let's just go back. That's enough. That's enough of oh shit moments to make it worthwhile to go just kind of call it a night. Call it a night, my friends. Okay. Thanks for watching me go in circles. Thanks for watching me go in circles. Thanks for watching me almost blow through a stop sign into a field, because ooh, that was something else. Freaked me out. And we'll see you next time as I drive like a weirdo and not knowing what I'm doing out here in the West Hills. Arrivederci, ciao, and goodbye, my friends. We'll see you next time out here in the wine country. Yeah, wine country. That's what it is. Come on, man. We're out in the wine country. Where's the wine cellar at? What reserve you got going? What year is this? I don't know, 2021. Whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm losing it. Losing it. All right.